Okay, guys, if you guys saw the new update of Animal Company, let me know, because devs have been speaking, reaching out to some people. Totally not me, totally not me. But there's for $6. And yeah, stuff like that. So I was on it, so don't know why Animal Company would pick me for anything, because I only have like 30, 40, 50 videos. About every 50. Yeah, about every 50 videos. And they didn't pick me, of course, because who would sponsor my videos? It's totally not all I'm kidding. It's probably not Grow a Garden. That's crazy. Not all the garden, Grow a Garden. I like olives. They taste bad. My cat is dancing in the microwave. What do I do? Frick, big guy. Alright, Pete. You're on Pete. Yeah. So, yeah, the new update. There's gonna be a new map, everything fucking map but a swimming update. There's gonna be that too, but except like the swimming update isn't the photo leaks that we got released from some I'm about to get bombed, I think. I got an arrow! You better get it! Dang, what's wrong for? What if I see Coda bouncing on a pogo stick? And wait, there goes my friend whispering. Frick. No. Please don't kill me, Haunted Lady. I didn't do anything. The Haunted Mansion update will also mean, like, my old ended phase through Animal Company moves around. People called it in fact the biggest update. What the? Let me out of here. Let me know. That was scary. Being all I do. I'm gonna try and find a photo. So, you guys have solo leaks and stuff. Some of you, not all of you. Go to the Animal Company Discord like every day, because you gotta know what. Like me. Totally not me. Because, like, I'm doing weird stuff, so, yeah. No! And, like, you just go to the Animal Company Discord, you can check leaks and stuff, and then it will be there. That makes it look cool. So, yeah, I feel like there's gonna be all this eventually somewhere. Like, if y'all have saw like some videos, like people leaking stuff, this one of mine, you guys can search up leaks of an update, like the update I'm doing. Is this good update? Monkey! Oh my god. Oops. It landed in there. No, it didn't. Oh my god. Those are the animal company update leaks and like stuff. Like, oh yeah, I can show you what all this means. If I go to commands like right now, which I don't want to go through because I feel like I'm not supposed to show this stuff, because like those commands show actual future updates. Because me and my friend accidentally got in there. And you know, I was like, oh man, how did you accidentally get into there? We were typing help and then we typed in random stuff and it typed in code so I could think we're coding and it really did. So, which was stupid. Didn't like that.